If the feds knock on your door, should you talk to them? The answer is no. You should be polite and cooperative, but if they are just there to talk to you, they hand you a business card, they don't have a search warrant, they don't have an arrest warrant, don't talk to them. Most people think that they want to be cooperative, they want it to appear like they didn't do anything wrong, so why shouldn't they talk to them? They want to let them know that they're innocent, and so they invite them in also because they're terrified. These are FBI agents, they flash their little badges at you, and you think that you have no choice but to talk to them. Well, you do have a choice, and whether you've committed a crime or not, whether you're a witness to a crime, whether you have a lawyer or not, you tell the feds, I'm very sorry, but I would like to retain an attorney and talk to them about whether or not I should talk to you. It does not make you look guilty if you hire a lawyer. The feds appreciate the fact that you have a right to counsel and that you have a right to remain silent and that you do not have to answer their questions. Now, bear in mind that these people are masters at interrogation and they are masters at manipulation. This is what they are trained to do. This is their job and they do this every day. But you are not trained in dealing with people who are interrogators, people who are trained at professionally asking questions. So you need to stand strong, you need to stick to your guns, and you need to very politely decline. A lot of people call me and they say, yeah, I spoke to the agent 3 times and he gave me his card and he finally told me I should call a lawyer. So it is not their job to tell you that you're going to be charged. It is not their job to tell you that you should hire a lawyer, and they don't have to read you your rights if it's a consensual conversation. So consensual meaning you invite them in and you just willingly answer their questions. If they say to you, you're under arrest, you have a right to remain silent, then it is no longer a consensual conversation. At that point, you have to either consent or not. But in a situation that's casual, they come knock on your door, they bring a business card and they say, hey, we'd like to talk to you about some investments, some loans, something like that, that you might have been involved in, some healthcare issues, whatever the case may be, you have every right to say, wow, you know what, I think I need to call a lawyer and I will have them get in touch with you. Can I have your card? And that is the end of it. They will respect that, they will understand that. And then when you call me, I will call the agent and say, I'm representing this person. I would like to know, if there's a U.S. attorney appointed to the case and if I can talk to them, or is my client a target in the investigation or just a witness? And even if you are just a witness, it is wise to have an attorney present just in case there is some gray area, just in case there's some crossover. And lying to a federal agent is a federal offense. So it's better to say nothing than to lie. And again, this can be a frightening situation. So your knee-jerk reaction may be, I'm going to cooperate, I'm going to do whatever they tell me to do. Just take a breath, take a beat, and say, you know what? No, thank you. I'm in the middle of something. I'm going to call a lawyer. I'll call you back another day. And if they say, well, we need to talk to you right away, say, fine, I'll try to call you, have my lawyer call you as soon as possible. And they are going to respect this. The feds are professional and they know what they're doing. They know what the law is, and they will respect your decision to call a lawyer rather than speaking to them directly. So if the feds do knock on your door, you need an attorney right away. My contact information is in the description below.